Hi, this is Craig Stocks here at Utah Desert Remote Observatories. We'd love to talk to you about remote hosting for your telescope equipment here in the dark southwest Utah skies. You can find us online at utahdesertremote.com. And I want to give you a quick update on the construction progress. We are almost done. So I'll show you where we're at. So this is the view of the front of the office portion of the observatory. We've got the steps almost done. The porch and the steps are on. We still have to add the handrail. This comes into the office, and I think the last time you saw this was still pretty bare looking. That we've started getting some stuff set up in here so that we can begin testing the operation. We'll just do a quick 360 of the office. The storage totes over there so that each pier has a storage spot for things like lens caps and spare cables, things like that. And this door leads out to the observatory floor. The observatory is closed right now. We do have a couple telescopes in here. The piers are all set up. Each pier has its own outlet and Ethernet connection for the internet, and that goes directly to the fiber optic. So we are pretty much ready to go. We've got just a few finishing touches to take care of on the outside, and we should be good to go. As you've seen before, the main part of the observatory and the cover over the building has been done for some time, but I just love opening the roof. So I'm going to give it the signal to open, and we'll watch it do its thing. It takes about 80 seconds to fully open. The opener motor is right there kind of in the lower right of the screen, and you can see the building moving across, and that is how we expose the telescope floor at night. And I can walk up here. You can see around the outside we have a wall to protect the equipment on the inside. If the wind picks up or something, it's somewhat protected. Walk up, we'll hold the camera up so we can peek over the wall. Take a look inside. This is a cargo door. So if we have heavy equipment coming in, we can open these doors and deliver the crates right into the observatory with the forks on a skid steer, rather than trying to manhandle things through an office or lift them over the wall. So that's where we're at here at the end of October in 2022. Be sure to check us out online at utahdesertremote.com, and we would love to talk to you about hosting your equipment here. If you're just interested in a few targets, we also have equipment available that you can rent by the hour. We work with you to set up the sequence and ensure that you get just the object and just the framing and the data that you need for your special project. Check us out online. I hope you have a great day today and an even better night tonight under a clear, dark sky. Thanks.